guys, for today's video, we are celebrating the 25th anniversary of Friends, one of my all-time favorite TV shows, and I know it is some of yours as well, so this is super exciting. I feel like I spent so much time watching the show as I was growing up that to this day I still have that urge to go splash around in a fountain somewhere, and Phoebe is definitely like my all-time favorite character on any TV show. Like, no one is better than her in my opinion. I absolutely love her. So today's video is actually sponsored by Warner Brothers in collaboration with Pottery Barn because, are you guys ready for this? Pottery Barn now has a Friends collection. So all of your Friends home decor dreams have come true. The collection is absolutely amazing and it is available starting July 31st at Pottery Barn. So that being said, I thought I would do a Friends inspired room makeover for today's video, and I am basing it all around the iconic apothecary table. So if you guys are a huge fan, I know you've seen the episode, and Pottery Barn, yes, they actually replicated it and it is a part of the Pottery Barn collection. I know, I'm so excited, but also keep in mind they do have some other amazing things in the collection as well. So let's just jump right into this Friends inspired makeover. So for this Friends inspired makeover, I wanted to start off with a clean slate because, as I mentioned earlier, the main piece from the collection is the iconic apothecary table from the episode, the one with the apothecary table. And I decorated this room making the apothecary table the main focal point. And I was also really inspired by page 72 of the Pottery Barn catalog from that episode. For this makeover, I wanted to also incorporate lots of warm tones and rich textures to really give a cozy, homey feel. That's something I always felt Rachel and Phoebe's space gave off whenever I was watching the show, and I always wished that my space could give off those vibes, and I definitely think I was able to achieve that with this Friends-inspired makeover. I also paired the coffee table with some other Pottery Barn pieces because I'm not only a huge fan of the show Friends, but I love Pottery Barn in general. I think they have really awesome stuff. I also love how well they accentuate the new apothecary table, which is definitely my favorite piece from the Pottery Barn Friends collection. So to go along with that, and to also go along with these really gorgeous pillows, and to make this a very Phoebe approved room makeover, I definitely had to incorporate something that you can get at your local flea market, and this in particular is a vintage piece, and you can definitely find something similar to it at your local flea market, so Phoebe would definitely appreciate that. I thought the tones in the rug paired perfectly with the apothecary table, and this table was recreated down to the very last details. It has the beautiful antique-inspired hardware, as well as the drawers that were originally designed for CDs, or maybe these drawers were even designed to hold potions. We'll never know. When it came to styling the apothecary table, I definitely wanted to keep the styling very minimal and not take away from just how beautiful this table is. However, I had to add in a bird cage, and you definitely have to be careful with this bird cage because it's very old. It's actually from the colonial times. Okay, not really. I'm just joking, but it is another vintage piece that you could also probably find at a flea market. So that is what I did as far as styling goes on top of this beloved apothecary table. Another thing I definitely wanted to mention is I know that I spoke a lot about the apothecary table in this video, but if you head on over to potterybarn.com, you can check out the entire collection. They have some other awesome pieces in the Friends collection that I know you guys will love, so definitely don't forget to head on over to the Pottery Barn website. I definitely think with this Friends-inspired room makeover, we were able to achieve that warm and cozy feel that I always got when I looked at Rachel and Phoebe's space, all thanks to that beautiful Pottery Barn apothecary table. So if you guys have a favorite memory or a favorite episode, I'd love for you guys to share it in the comments down below. I think that would be a great way that we can all celebrate the 25th anniversary of Friends together. So definitely leave that in the comments down below. I would love to hear that from you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that Friends makeover just as much as I enjoyed creating it. Isn't the apothecary table just like so gorgeous? But definitely head on over to potterybarn.com/friends. you can go over there and enter for a chance to win a $1,000 Pottery Barn shopping spree, as well as a trip to experience the Warner Brothers studio tour, where you will actually be able to visit the Central Perk set. So that is super exciting. I will have that link in the description box down below for you guys. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!